Okay folks, we are going to try and factorise this expression. And up until now, if it started with 2x squared, probably you could have taken out a common factor of 2 and then split the bracket. But that's not going to work here because 2 doesn't go into 7 or 3. So we're going to have to factorise into two brackets. To get that 2x squared, one bracket's going to have a 2x in it, one's going to have an x in it. It's a nice easy example because we've got pluses. But then, should the 2x, the 3 go in there with the 2x, like that? Or, you see there's another possibility that might work, isn't there? Have the 1 in there, and the 3 with the single x. And because this is an easy example, and there's only two possibilities, you could just work out which one works, and that's fine. But I'm going to use it to show you a table system. And this is not magic, but it does allow you to get through checking lots of possibilities fairly quickly. So, in this one, in our table, we're going to have 2x and x, because these are the possibilities for making the first term, and there are two different ways we could make the second term. We could either have 3 and 1, or 1 and 3. And this is a bit like the kiss and smile with fractions. So what we do is we say to ourselves, 2x times 1 is 2x. X times 3 is 3x. So that makes 5x. And actually, that's no good because the middle term is 7x. So let's try our next set of possibilities. 2x times 3 gives us 6x. X times 1 gives us x. That makes 7x. Yeah, that's right. That's what we should get in the middle. So, what we've got here is we will use the 2x plus 1 for our first bracket, and we'll use the x plus 3 for our second bracket. So what we've managed to do is we've managed to work out that 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 1 times x plus 3. Okay? So, let's try an example with more possibilities. Here we are down here. We've got one that ends with 12. So there's going to be quite a few factors for 12. So, it's going to start with 5x and x to give us that 5x squared at the front. To get the 12, we could have 1 and 12, or we could do 12 and 1. But there's other possibilities. It could be 2 and 6, or it could be 6 and 2. Or it could be 3 and 4, or 4 and 3. And we're just going to have to work our way along until we hit the one that works. So first of all, doing this, that would give us 60 plus 1. Well, we've not got 61x in the middle, so that's no good. Next, this would give us 5 plus 12 would make 17x. Closer, but we've not got 17x there. Next pair, 30x plus 2x, 32x, still not getting there. Next one, we've got 5 times 2 is 10. X times 6 is 6x. There we are. That works. 10x from there, 6x from there. That makes 16. So, our first bracket is going to be the 5x plus 6. Our second bracket is going to be the x plus 2. So what we've managed to work out there is that 5x squared plus 16x plus 12 is equal to 5x plus 6 times x plus 2. And a wee word here. If you're lucky, it might be the very first pair that come out. If you're unlucky, it might be the last pair. You just have to keep trying until one of them comes out. And sometimes it'll be early and quick, and sometimes you might have to plod through all of them. Okay, thank you for listening.